most challenging dishes to many is cow stomach. A dish not commonly braved by Americans,
dishes?
but it's a Vietnamese favorite.
He said a challenging
they
dish
take out the fresh cow stomach
is
for
cow stomach.
processing it with care. Inside, there's even fresh green matter. Guess what that could be?
Doo-doo.
It's quite the wild guess.
Don't say
First,
matter,
they clean
doo-doo.
out
Don't
the
make
green
it look
matter,
sound pretty.
Then rinse the stomach with water. They don't discard these green contents. Instead, they mix them with water. After stirring, they filter the mixture. The filtered liquid becomes the base for the soup. Next,
For the
they prepare the
soup?
spices.
So they
Adding chili,
actually
garlic,
about
and
to
onion,
use the
stirring
doo-doo
them together,
to make
then
soup.
filtering the mixture a second time. Now the soup takes on a deeper hue. They ladle out the soup. And after adding various
Oh my
seasonings,
God.
the sauce is ready. They slice the fresh cow stomach.
Listen,
Wrap
you
it around
could
the
not
side
pay
dishes
me
and
enough,
dip it in the
no
homemade
amount of
sauce.
love,
Swallowed in one
money,
bite.
or
It's incredibly
nothing
delicious. If you can
could
bear the
get me
smell,
to try
would
this
you
soup
wanna give
right
it a
here
try?
with that doo-doo soup. You crazy? Can't do that. That's their thing, though. They got it.